Welcome to SADX. Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 5. We are starting Unit 2, which is 2D shape and pattern. First, getting started. Question 1. Which of these shapes are polygons? So first we have to know what is polygons. Polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape made up to straight line segments connected end to end. So what is the feature? First we also need to know. Key feature is closed figure, all sides join with no gap, straight sides only, no curve, at least 3 sides. The simplest polygon is straight line. So after know this key feature, we can say our correct answer is number A, number E এবং number D, because here number C and B has curve but no curves allow, only straight side. Okay, so A, E, D is our answer. A, E, D, these three figures are our required answer. How many, number 2, how many right angles does this shape have? So first, what is right angle? Right angle equals to 90 degree. So here this shape, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So our answer 2. Okay, how many right angles does this shape have? Two right angles has this shape. Okay, now draw a tessellating pattern using a rectangular. So look, tessellating pattern like this one, this one, this one, this one, it means no gap, like a brick wall. This is a number 3, answer 3. Now number 4, how many lines of symmetry does a square have? A square has 4 lines of symmetry, because so if your question marks 1 or 2, you just write a square has 4 lines of symmetry. But if more than 2, you can write because a square is a regular polygon, meaning all its sides and angles are equal. It's highly symmetrical. These 4 lines all intersect at the exact center of the square, right? This is. So this pattern has 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. Okay, so 4 symmetric line. So number 3, 4, 2, 1, getting started, everything done. Work example 1. Here is this an equilateral, isosceles or skyline triangle? How we understand? Look, first here is some point. Are all the length the same? Here length is not same. No. So the triangle is not equilateral. Are 2 of the length the same? Look, this one and this one and this one is not equal. No. So in this case the triangle is not isosceles. Are all the length different? Yes. Compare the 3 angles of the triangle. Are any of the angles the same size? No. The triangle is not equilateral or isosceles. That's why we can say this triangle is skyline. Okay, now we have to know about measure the length of each side. Look, all the sides of an equilateral triangle are the same length and all the angles are the same size, right? So we can draw a angle like this is equilateral. Same thing, it will become isosceles if like this. It means two angles are same, two sides are same, another one is different, and none of these sides of scalene triangle are the same length and none of the angles are same size, which is this. Now exercise 2.1, which of these triangles are scalene? So scalene, it means no sides or no lines are equal. So which one? Number A is all the sides are same. So this is not our answer. And here not same, all different. So this is a choice. Number C, this one and this one same, two sides are equal. So this is also out. Number D, yes, not same, all sides are different. This is our answer. Number E also not same. So here number A, all sides, we can write this one, all sides are same. Okay, so very simple. Number 1 done. So our answer is B, D and E. Number 2, name each type of triangle. So this is very simple. Number A, it should be equilateral. We can write this one. Equilateral, and here two sides are same, so it should be isosceles. And number C also same, all the sides are equal, so it's a equilateral. Number D, here this side, this side, these sides are not equal, so scalene. And this one also, look, here it's looking this one and this one and this one different, so this one also scalene. Okay, number 2 done. Number 3, use a pencil and ruler to sketch an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle where two sides are equal, so you can use this one by pencil. So I can write this one like this way. This is number A. Number B, number A done. Use a pencil and ruler to sketch scalene triangle. Scalene triangle like what? We can draw this one, suppose like this. All the sides are different. Okay, so this is number A and this is number B. Now number C, ask your partner to check the triangles you have drawn in part A and B. Check your partner's triangles by tracing and comparing the size of triangles. Tell your partner how you know if their triangles are isosceles or scalene. So you should discuss with your classmate. He or she also draw these kinds of triangle, and you have to understand that his angles are okay or not, and you already know about if two sides are equal, it should be isosceles, and if all the sides are different, it's a scaling. So number 3 done. Number 4, which of these triangles has an obtuse? So what does mean this one? It's a that if angle greater than 90 degree, that case that angle should we say an obtuse angle. So which one? Here look, here all the sides are equate angle. This one also same, this is 90 degree. Look, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is equate angle. It means this is right angle, this is right angle, this is equate angle, this is equate angle, this is equate angle, this is equate angle, and here is also equate angle, equate angle, equate angle. But look, this one, it's a obtuse. So number B, answer number B. Okay, this is very interesting. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Now think like a mathematician. Here is lots of question. This question answer we need a full paper or a blank paper. So I make this answer in here. First, explore these questions by drawing triangle and diagram to show what is possible and what is impossible. First one, what type of angle can have a right angle? So what type? So first look, a right angle triangle is only type of triangle that contains a right angle. It means 90 degree depending on its side's length. It also can be isosceles right angle. It means two equal sides, or a scalene right angle, no equal side. Okay, how? Look, we can draw this one. We can draw this one like this way. Look, this one, if we make this way, here suppose these two angles are same, but here is right angle. So this one also possible. These kinds of angle we can say isosceles. And similar thing, if we draw like this way, now look, here all sides are what? All sides are different, and this is also a right angle. This one is scaling. So we can say what type of angle can have a right angle? Two type of triangle have a right angle. One is isosceles right angle, another one is scalene right angle. Number B, what type of triangle can have two right angles? It's not possible, because we know a triangle has 3 angles, and each angle, once we make summation, the result should be 180 degree, right? So if 90 degree plus 90 degree plus another one will something, therefore 180 degree will be cross. So it's not possible, it's impossible. So what type of triangle can have two right angle? It's impossible. It's impossible. Now number C, what type of triangle can have 3 right angle? It also impossible. Number D has mentioned, investigate the number of equate angles and obtuse angles the different types of triangles can have. Write sentence to describe the angle properties of different type of triangles. You are generalizing when you describe which triangle are possible with each number of right angles, and also you are convincing when you show which angles are possible and which are impossible different angles. So this one, first we have to understand investigation acute and obtuse angles. So acute angles, those angles whose angles are less than 90 degree. Obtuse is this triangle has exactly one obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. Now look, here two diagram, we can different this one first. Now look, this is a right angle, here is a right angle, but look, this angle and this angle are acute angle, right? So obtuse angle, this triangle has exactly one obtuse angle and which is greater than 90. So how we can make this one greater than 90? This is not greater than 90, but now we can make, look, this one greater than 90 and two acute angle. So right angle triangle, this triangle has exactly one right angle 90 degree and two acute angle like this, and now we are generalizing. To summarize the rules for triangle, every triangle must have at least two acute angles. Here is our question. First we have to generalize and we have to find out which angles are possible and which are impossible in different angles. So in this case, so any triangle must have at least two acute angles, right? Second, a triangle can have at most one right angle and one obtuse angle or obtuse angle. It means it like this. Now the sum of the interior angles is always 180 degree. Okay, so big question answer we have already finished. Now again we back to our regular question number 5. Name the smallest triangle that has been tessellated in each pattern. Look, here this pattern, if we observe, this angle, this angle, this angle equal, this angle, this angle, this angle equal, so we can say this one is equilateral. And look, here if we observe carefully, look, if we consider this angle and this angle, so this one and this one similar, same this one and this one similar, this one and this one similar, so we can say this is isosceles. And finally this one, this one, this one, so each angle are different, this case scaling. Okay, so done. Now is it possible to draw a triangle that cannot be tessellated? No, it's not possible, because if we draw like this, again we can draw like this, again we can draw like this, so it's not, it has no gap, therefore it's not possible, impossible to draw a triangle cannot be tessellated. So our answer is no, or we can say impossible. Okay, so number 6 done. After this one, for this chapter of 2D shape and pattern, we have to stop, because next video we will start from 2.2, which is symmetry. So 2.1 done. Thank you very much being with me. My channel name is SatX. I hope you will subscribe my channel, and if you think this channel is helping you, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.